All right, today we are going to replace this door handle. It's an interior door handle, and there is nothing wrong with this door handle except for my dog has decided that he can just let himself in whenever he wants. So we're going to put one with a doorknob. So we're going to try to alleviate that problem. So let's get it replaced. Like I said, it's extremely simple. Just needs a Phillips head screwdriver. Just pull this out. Just remove this. All right. Time to open up the instructions. And throw them away. If the door liker, we're using a drill to. It only fits in there one way. Make sure it's nice and tight. We don't want to get it too tight, or else it will bind the latch. So, looks like it. I'm happy with that.